cursive Q. Now you may look at this and think, why in the world does she have a 2 on her page? That is just this type style that I like to use. So you may see other people when they write cursive that it looks more like an actual print Q, but this is more of a traditional way of making a Q. So it's your choice which one you want to do, but today I'm going to teach you this more traditional style. So starting up here at the top, little loop, curve, loop, and a big tail. So usually U follows a Q, so it would just go right into the U. Let's do a few more. Little loop, curve, loop, and tail. Little loop, curve, loop, and tail. Little loop, curve, loop, and tail. Lowercase q. This looks similar to a G, so you have to make sure that you are bringing this loop to the back. So starting at the dotted line, little bump up, loop to the back, and tail. Little bump up, loop to the back, and tail. Upper and lowercase cursive Q.